Good morning, folks. This is Sadi again. Today we got 2004 Ford Explorer with V6 engine, the 4.0 liter, and we'll replace the wheel bearings on the rear side. But this time I will replace whole thing, so the hub assemble. Okay. Okay. This I will share. In this time, I will start to loose first. The nut is on the drive side. I'm sorry, it's on the drive side. Dry axle, on the dry axle. Okay, we use the Milwaukee, and I got a socket, I think 32 millimeters, I'm not sure, but it was so. Okay, this is the first thing. We started to take the nut off. Okay, we'll continue. The second time, we started to remove the caliper brake, or brake caliper, I don't know, but this is the brake we started to take first one. Okay. We remove the two bolts, and the caliper is bolted off on the house on the. Okay, one bolt off, I think, with a 12 millimeters or half millimeters socket. Okay, we remove the second bolt, and then we'll take off the caliper. But we use the screwdriver for pick it up and remove it. Okay, folks, continues. We got the caliper off. Okay, we take it the brake drum or brake rotor. They got a couple clips on the studs. We use the screwdriver for remove it, and for you don't damage. If you want an screw, is better because you put it back on the stud after when you want to put it all back together. Okay, this is the second one in the bottom. Okay, we are ready to remove the brake rotor. Okay, you seen it. This small shoes is for the emergency brake parking brake or emergency brake. Okay, this is part. This is two shoes is set on the hub bearings assembler, because this is activated when you stay in the car and you apply the emergency brakes or parking brake. That's what is activated. So we need to be remove these two. Okay. So we continue. This one is set the caliper housing or the caliper brake. Okay, we got one bolt off. I will remove another bolt. Okay, we got another bolt off. Another two parts we need to be removed is the ball joint. They got a ball joint upper and ball joint lower size. Okay, in this particular case is remove the bolt and put some WD-40 or any anti rust remove it, and then we started take off the not the ball joint, it's just that the pin was connected on the housing. And another part where it needs to be removed is the CV axle. The CV axle was bolted off on the housing. This is the problem, the bearing was gone. We try to keep the CV axle in good condition for put it back. Okay, the CV axle is loose. Okay, okay, yes, it's almost ready to come out the CV axle. Okay, the ball joint in the lower size is off. It's only we need to be removed the upper size. Okay, the CV axle is off. CV axle is off. One more thing, we need to be removed the ball joint upper size. I will give you some tool for make some power for pull it back, because it's some rust. This part, this is okay, my friend. After that, finally we take off the ball joint was connected in the upper size. Okay, I got a brand new bearing half assembled, ready for put it back everything, because I don't have time. We got on the road. We got in the road. It needs to be this car put it back. I don't have hydraulic press or all the stuff for replace the bearings. This is when I was in the road. It's the best thing. Replace whole thing, whole hub assembly. Bearings hub assembly is ready. Okay, and we started put back together. Okay, my friends, if you like this channel, subscribe my channel, share the video for keep on go supporting other people was broke down the road. This is Sari. Uh, share all my experience working on the road. Okay, and don't forget the subscribe the channel, put the like it, share the video for keep on go supporting the people who was broke down the road. Okay, before put it back, put some grease on the internal part of the bearings. Put the grease on the housings for the ball joints. Put the grease on the ball joints too, and put that grease on the CV axle for a smooth mounting. And for the next time when you remove it, it's not too hard to take it off. Okay, my friends, I will put all back together. I'm going to take it on the all part, the emergency brakes. Some parts don't come for the new one, but this one they come whole thing ready. Put it back. They got shoes, bearings, everything. It's just take it and put it back. Okay, are we set up the parts on the car and put it all back together and then go.